Hey guys, Nick here from Velocity Trading, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best free day trading tools. This video may be geared a little bit towards beginners because a lot of people have asked me, "Hey Nick, I'm limited on funds. I don't have too much money. I can't really afford, trade ideas. I can't afford Bazinga. I can't get all these new streaming services. So if you guys can't afford that, I have some solutions here that could help you. A few of the things I'm going to show you are all good free services. And then I'm going to show you also a really good tool that I really like that I think that could help not only beginners but even experienced traders if you guys haven't heard of it already. Alright, so let's dive into this video right now. So right here is, this is ThinkorSwim. TD Ameritrade. You guys can see, $0. So I don't have a dollar in this. So anyone can sign up for TD Ameritrade and get the ThinkorSwim platform for free. No monthly fees, nothing like that. All you gotta do is just sign up, and you can get a free ThinkorSwim account through TD Ameritrade. So, all right. So I'm gonna show you guys. First, I'm going to show you guys, before I get into the tool I want to show you guys that I really think is good, I'm going to show you guys this. So this is a scan I have on ThinkorSwim here. So this scan is going to scan the entire market for stocks that are gapped up by percentage change. So you guys can see this. This is very important, especially in the pre-market too. You guys are doing your pre-market gap scans, and you may not have trade ideas. Trade ideas is let me just this. Show you guys. Give me a second. This is trade ideas, so you guys can see this is just pretty much showing you the same thing. Trade ideas is showing you all the top scans here. What's gapped up, so you guys can see we have pretty much the same thing there on the ThinkorSwim for free. I mean, nothing against trade ideas. I love trade ideas. If you guys have the money, you have the capital, go get trade ideas. It's the best in the industry, best in the business. I've been using them for years now. It doesn't get better than this, but I'm saying if you guys are really limited on funds and you can't afford the trade ideas, I would say get the ThinkorSwim platform and use the scans. Use the gap scan. So filter it here. Get the top percentage gainers because this is critical. This is stuff you need if you're a day trader and you don't know what's gapped up in the morning, you're kind of just going off on Twitter and stock twits, you're going to be lost, guys, and it's not going to be good. You need something like this to scan the market, see what's gapped up, and then do your analysis from there. So, this is what you're going to want to do. So I'm also going to show you guys some free services. So here, Yahoo Finance. So this is a great. I still use Yahoo Finance, guys. Use it every day. So this is gonna give you the latest stuff. So for example, we have DRIO gapped up this morning. So this DRIO would pop up on your gap scanner. Next thing you want to do, pull up DRIO, and boom, right there, the news. You don't need Bazinga. You don't need streaming news services. You could get it just as quick. DRIO pops up here. Boom, you see it pop up. Boom, type in Yahoo Finance, right there, news right there. You don't need Bazinga, and you don't need the streaming news. Yes, if you guys have the capital, go out and get Bazinga Pro or get Equity Feed, whatever streaming news service that are out there. I would say those are the top two. If you have the money, go for it. But if you don't, this is a great alternative. It's totally free. You're not paying a dollar. Then you go here. You want to look at the float. See, all right, 1 million of float, 35% held by insiders. Kind of the same thing you're getting, on Yahoo Finance. I mean, you get the same table on Trade Ideas, but free on Yahoo. So that's what I use, guys. I use Yahoo Finance. This is great for finding the float and for finding the news. So that's Yahoo Finance. Oh, my bad. I don't know what I was doing there. So now, let's say DRIO. You want to search. You want to see how do I know if there's dilution? I want to know if there's warrants or something like that. So you want to search. You want to go on BAMSEC.com, DRIO, and boom, right here. You have some warrants here, and boom, we got the tables right there. So great tool. To see the fundamental side of things. You see the latest 10 Qs, how much cash they got. So this is something you want to use for the fundamental side of trading. BAM SEC is a great free service that you could use. I do have a paid service, but you could still get away with using the free. the paid list, you're gonna get all these. I think you get like some of the more of the insider buying and stuff like that. But I don't even pay for the paid service. I just use the free one, and it's totally fine. I've been using it for years. So that's another one right there. BAM SEC, Yahoo Finance. Next, we're gonna do Finviz. So Finviz.com. Finviz is great. If you guys want to look for a free screener, Finviz is what you're gonna want to go with. So for example, if you guys maybe I don't know, you like to short overextended stocks, you could look. Sorry, I don't want to hit you guys with some ads here. Apologize about that. Let me just exit this out also. So if you guys want to look for stocks that are maybe on the overbought side, maybe you like shorting stocks that are overextended. You could look for RSI overbought. You could look for come on, these ads. You guys see what I'm saying, though. I could go into more depth on it. I could probably make a whole video on setting up the screener here, but I just want to show you guys. Finviz, great free service here. So AQST, overextended stock, ARVN, look how overextended that chart is. AXSM, overextended. So just showing you stocks that are overbought, oversold, and there's so many different things you could play around with here. You could go into the fundamental things. You could look for stocks that had good earnings. Tons of different things you could do here. You could sort it by market cap. You could do sectors. All right, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna get off the Finviz here. A lot of ads, but you guys see what I'm saying there. Finviz, good tool, great screener, and it's totally free. So those are some free day trading tools right there for you. Now I'm gonna show you guys. One of my favorite practice tools, and it's a fantastic thing they have here on the ThinkorSwim, and I still use it today. And I've been trading for years, and I think it's one of the best tools. So right here, if you go on your ThinkorSwim, just hit the on-demand feature, and now what this does is you could go back and look at any single play from any single date in history. I think you go back up to 5 or 6 years. So incredible tool here. So let's say you want to see what did some of the biggest supernovas look like when they ran. Like maybe you just started trading like 3 months ago, and you're like, oh, I never saw DRYS run in 2016, or I didn't see BPTH run in January. Not a problem. You could go back and look on how it looked at that day. So let me just pull up here. Let me see BPTH. Let's see when this ran. So BPTH was a former supernova. This started running big on March 6, 2019. So right here on your ThinkorSwim on demand, we just go to March 6th. You go to March 6th, and we could leave right here at 10:08. Oh, let me just switch the ticker. Oh, I was in February. So boom, right here. March 6th. And here we go. This is the day BPTH started to run, and you could see here, I think it's just going to adjust right here. Yep, there we go. We got the orders going through right here. And you could see this is when BPTH ran. And you could see the volume. I don't really have my ThinkorSwim set up properly right here because it's not something I use every single day. I just kind of use the ThinkorSwim for the gap stats, and I'll show you guys after that. But I just want to show you guys like how cool this is. This ThinkorSwim, and we could see any former runner, and it's great to study, great tool to study off of. Just to see what it did on some of these bigger runs. So it's really cool, to use this, to go back. Let's say you even missed a day in the market last week, and you want to see what a certain play did. You just hop in with on demand, go back and look. You could also look at some of the other runs like SES. Maybe you didn't see SES run, and just good to study off of. See the volume, Just see, you can look how big the volume was. These 1 minute bars here, 900K bar. This 1 minute volume right here, 300K. So you can see we're trading massive volume on these 1 minute candles on VPTH this day. So great tool. I use it all the time. So I definitely recommend you guys to consider using this as a good day trading tool to help you guys on out. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that. Just a quick video right here, and I also want to show you guys another cool thing which I love to use. So let me just do 1 year chart. So there, so you guys can see we have gap stats here. So this is gonna show you the gap stats from the past year on BPTH. You can see BPTH had 5 gaps over 20%. The average spike is 86%. So you guys can see, BPTH got on an average spike of 86%. Closed below the open, 40% of the time, and the average close from the open is minus 13%. Average low from the open, 19%. Average drains 1481, and you get some other stats there. So really cool tool here. This would take you forever to find these stats, but you get it instantly on any single ticker like SES. You could see here, gap stats on SES. Like one today we have with ABIL. And this is all custom made. If you guys are interested in custom made indicators for ThinkorSwim, you guys can hit up Scripts to Trade at Twitter. He makes custom made scripts, so definitely go hit him up on Twitter. It's not free. It does cost a little bit, but you get a discount if you say Nick sent you. So if you guys are interested in custom scripts for your scanners or for your intraday charts, whatever it may be, he could hook you up. So just want to throw that out to you guys that you could get some custom scripts from Scripts to Trade on Twitter. Just want to throw that out there for you guys. It's something I do use on my trading. I do like these custom scripts. I think they're very helpful. So yeah, that being said, I think I'll wrap up the video here. I just wanted to make a quick video on just some of these free tools that you guys could use. So just to recap them, so the TOS scans, this gives you all the gap scans. Also, you could also make it custom for intraday too. So this is going to show me low float runners. So you guys can see I have all these low float runners. I like trading low float stocks. So it's going to show me under 50 million in float penny stocks that are running today on good volume. So the TOS scans, the Finviz for the screener, Yahoo for the float and news, BAM SEC for the fundamentals, and then the on-demand tool to go back and look at some recent runners. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. And if you guys haven't already, I live stream every day, Monday through Friday. Go check out my trading live streams. So does my trading partner, Alex. He's live streaming Monday through Friday, trading options. And we have a free chat room. Join. And links down below in the description. That's going to be it for me, guys. Peace.